Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can set up Zelle in Navy Federal. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Getting started. To complete a Zelle transaction, just sign in to your Navy Federal Credit Union account and navigate to Move Money. Select Zelle, then Send Money. After you accept the terms and conditions, enter your email address or US mobile phone number to receive a one-time verification code. Next, enter the code in the appropriate box on the enrollment screen, and you're all set. Step 2. Add a recipient. To find a new recipient, enter their email address or US mobile number. If the recipient hasn't enrolled in Zelle, they'll receive an email or text letting them know how to enroll to access the money you've sent. Step 3. Send money. Choose the recipient and the amount to send. It's important to make sure the recipient's information is correct because sending money to the wrong recipient could result in a loss of funds. Tap Send after you've verified everything is correct,